By means of the lightweight deflectometer HMP LFG, the load-bearing capacity and the compaction quality of soils, non-cohesive sub-bases and soil improvements can be measured within a matter of 2 minutes. Just put in place, measure and evaluate immediately. Benefit from the various fields of application. Convince your clients with the proof of quality assurance you offer for your construction projects. Whether in road or railway construction, earthworks, quality protection in canal construction, compaction monitoring in pipe trenches and cable ducts, or testing of pavement bedding and foundation backfill. With the lightweight deflectometer HMP LFG, your compaction works can be specifically steered and monitored, and the quality of your construction will at the same time be improved by cost optimization. This provides certainty and saves time and money. The HMP LFG can be handled easily and also operated by one person, even without any previous knowledge. Due to the latest technology, the measuring instrument is small, portable, unbeatably easy to use and very precise. As a matter of course, the measuring instrument is splash-proof and can also be used in unfavourable weather conditions. Due to the large TFT display of the new HMP LFG Pro, you will have all data at a glance. It is also light sensor controlled, allowing for high readability during any kind of weather. The convenient menu navigation is supported by clear symbols and thus allows an intuitive operation. An extensive language database is included for international use. Just choose your required language. Print out the measured results right after measurements or transfer the measured data to the PC for further processing. By means of the GPS coordinates, the exact point of measuring can be logged. The procedure of the dynamic plate load tests is described in engineering code for soil and rock in road construction and in the ASTM code E2835. In addition, other related international standards and comprehensive correlations for other test methods exist. Because of the modular construction of the HMP testing equipment, an upgrade or modification is possible at any time. This is fast and cost-effective and available for both the basic equipment used in efficient intra-company monitoring and the professional device for exact documentation. You can rely on German production certified according to DIN EN ISO 9001, calibrated by our in-house certified calibration institute, a 2-year guarantee, 10 years of spare parts availability, more than 30 years of experience in development, production and service, having a trained distribution partner in your area. See how simple it is to take measurements with the HMP LFG Pro. Put the load mechanism in place. The additional base plate prevents the device from falling over and getting dirty. It's held magnetically. Lay down the full-size load plate. Put the loading mechanism onto the load plates and release the transportation lock. Now connect the measuring instrument with the load plate and switch on the device. The menu navigation of the HMP LFG Pro will guide you reliably through the measuring process. With the arrow keys, please select the corresponding function and confirm it by pressing the Enter key. Basically, active functions are coloured, inactive are grey. Firstly, after switching on the GPS, the localization of the point for measuring is carried out. After this, the mode Measuring is activated, blue, and can be confirmed by pressing the Enter key. Before starting the measurement, the soil has to be pre-compacted by 3 impacts. Therefore, connect the falling weight to the release mechanism at the top and align the guide tube vertically by means of the spirit level. After hearing the signal tone, release the lever. Catch the returning weights by hand and connect it again. Repeat this procedure twice. Start measurement by pressing the Enter key. Now carry out 3 impacts consecutively. The device is ready to measure as soon as you've heard a signal tone. After the 3rd impact, the individual settlement amplitudes, the average settlement SM, the path to speed ratio and the calculated EVD value will all be displayed. You are able to save, reject or print out the test series directly, and you can have a look at the GPS and curve data. Therefore, please choose the corresponding option by means of the arrow keys and then confirm it by pressing the Enter key. The printout includes the following data: the current date, the time, the GPS coordinates of the point for measuring, the settlements, the settlement rates, its average value, the dynamic deformation modulus EVD, the path to speed ratio, and the settlement curves. Based on these measured values, you can immediately decide on quality and continuation of the construction project, non-destructive and with no required waiting for time-consuming laboratory results. You would like to create professional test protocols additionally? No problem. Transfer the measured values directly via Bluetooth to your smartphone and from there using the HMP Transfer app into the cloud to be processed then by the web-based software HMP report. While you're still at the construction site, the data can already be analysed and further processed at the office. Or, by using your smartphone on site, you simply add missing information to the protocol and send it to whom you want as PDF. Needless to say, the data can also be transferred conveniently for further processing and archiving using a USB stick or cable to your PC. The software, especially developed by HMP, allows you to store the data in a database with convenient search and editing features. Trust and quality, made in Germany, from the market leader for soil mechanics testing equipment. HMP only manufactures within Germany, relying on regional suppliers based on strict certification guidelines. The testing equipment developed by HMP is used all over the world within the construction industry, guaranteeing fast and reliable quality assurance. More than 30 years of experience and an independent service department, including a calibration institute, ensure you an all-round service and the long-term operational effectiveness of your tester. HMP, excellence for experts.